Hey folks, check this out. A bizarre scene caught by an American satellite right in the Chinese Gobi Desert. Picture this. Thousands of mirrors tossed into the desert, arranged in a mirror matrix. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Battle control online. Power sabotaged.
Seriously mind-boggling. This $300 million project is set up right there in the Gobi Desert, and guess what's in the middle of it all? Looks like a tower, but what's it for? Well, turns out it's a bit like a hydroelectric dam, but with a twist. It's a lava tower solar thermal power plant. Yep, you heard it right. This tall tower has a heat absorber on top, and beneath it, there are 14,500 mirrors, appropriately called sun-tracking mirrors. The lava tower solar thermal power system does this magic trick where it converts sunlight into heat. And then that heat, voila, it becomes electricity. And the best part, it's clean as a whistle, zero pollution. Even on cloudy days or when the sun's playing hide and seek at night, this solar thermal power plant cranks out electricity 24/7. The Gobi Desert, where this cool setup's at, gets a crazy amount of sunshine, like more than 3,500 hours a year. Get this solar thermal power plant churns out a whopping 390 million kilowatt hours of electricity every year. That's saving about 60,000 tons of coal, slashing 60 tons of sulfur dioxide, 20 tons of dust, and a staggering 150,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions every single year. This lava tower solar thermal power plant is like the superhero of clean energy. Zero pollution, zero emissions. Can you think of any downsides to this power play?